Well, the fire weather warning continues now for the southern half of the viewing area up to 7 o'clock this evening. And even though it's still going to be rather windy into the night, it will not be as bad as it was earlier today. And we'll start to add just a little bit more moisture to the air. So why is it so windy today? Well, low pressure right here in parts of Minnesota and Iowa, and another one developing in eastern Colorado is kind of in a fight, if you will, between the much stronger high pressure down here in South Carolina. This is a cold high. As a matter of fact, it's been warmer in our area today than it was down in Jacksonville. The high was 66 at Jacksonville, Florida today, and we hit 69. So anytime you have very low pressure here and high pressure here, that creates a pressure gradient, creating the wind. And with winds blowing out of the high plains and off the Edwards Plateau of Texas, in an area that's got a lot of drought around it anyway in our region, that means very dry air. And that's what's led to all the fires around this afternoon. Now, this little system here moves eastward. It pulls a front southward. That's actually going to cool it off a little bit getting into Saturday. And what it will do is take the next storm system developing here and push it a little farther south than we expected. So it's looking more and more like a cool rain for the weekend rather than us seeing a nice big warm up with some thunderstorms. 57 by 11 o'clock tonight, partly cloudy, still windy. It's windy into tomorrow morning, but not as bad, but it will be very mild. For a near record warm night with a low of only 55 degrees, and all that air coming from this general direction right through the nighttime hours and even during the day tomorrow. So even though we won't have the real high fire risk like we had today, still fairly drier even tomorrow. This is getting into tomorrow. Notice the gusts gradually winding down through the afternoon, and by evening there's just going to be a fairly light breeze around. A high is 67 tomorrow, but then falling a little bit late as the wind diminishes. Partly cloudy skies around, 62 to 70 for tomorrow. Low 60s north, the push on 70 down our southern counties. So another warm day. But then Saturday, notice how the wind goes to the north-northeast. I cut several degrees off the high temperature, 54, mostly cloudy. And then later on in the day, the showers come in, about 50% coverage, 5 o'clock and onward, with highs 45 to as high as 62 in the far south, because remember the front is moving southward and may stall a little bit down here in our southern counties. Let's track all this. Again, partly cloudy for tomorrow. We become mostly cloudy by tomorrow evening, tomorrow night. The front is right here. This is Saturday evening, some scattered showers coming in, and also showers and even a couple thunderstorms on Sunday, with total rainfall from Saturday and Sunday, a half to as much as an inch and a half of rain. Normal high 47 Sunday, and then more rain coming in just in time for Thanksgiving.
It'd be nice to get some rain. Thank you, Chad. A place that